So, energy plays an important role in how we live our life. It's a very simple equation. If you have more energy, you celebrate your life. If you have more energy, there is clarity in your life. Less energy means depression. More energy means celebration. We all have different kinds of thoughts, emotions. Suppose if you give attention to your negative aspect of life, then the negativity increases. If you give attention to the positive aspect of the life, then the positivity increases. Your attention is your energy currency. Where your attention goes, there your energy goes, and there the energy maximizes. Any work you do with joy, you don't feel tired. Avoid all wasteful spendings. Like every day you deposit money in your bank account. When you close your eyes and meditate, every day you are depositing energy in your soul account. When you think unnecessarily, you waste energy. When you speak unnecessarily, you waste energy. Now the other way is also true. When you speak the truth, you gain energy. When you speak unscientifically, you lose energy. When you speak scientifically, you gain energy. When you gossip, you lose energy. When you speak the words of wisdom, you gain energy. When you eat food, looking into mobiles or television or thinking something, you lose energy. Your relationships becomes meaningful when the relationship is based on respect, patience, and compassion. That is called love. Suppose a person might say something negative, but the body language is positive. The eye contact is innocent, pure. So you understand that, oh, he doesn't mean it. The true essence of spirituality is to be the best of both the worlds, the golden middle. Nirvana in samsara is the highest nirvana.